to the left, can't get a view to the right. Anyway you look, it's beautiful.
Hey man, I've got a boner.
He's leading the back. That's my boy, fam. That's my guy.
My bike's not starting.
¿Qué es pena, gente? Es tu chico fantasma y estoy con mi hermano.
Hey, mad. Mad thing. This is why I want my ABS off. Go on, do a burnout. Do a burnout.
You suck.
Hey, mad, I've got a boner. I am like fully hard. I just looked in my mirror and there is a train of motorbikes, bro.
We're home, big man, we're home. Let's go. Okay. Remember at the front, innit?
Yes, I'm having so much fun, brother. We lost some people. Wait, we at the front. Let me drop back so I can get the other bikes, bro. I'm gone, fam. This is me, fam. This is me. Woo! Woo!
Look at you, fam. Man said everyone's gonna leave me. Everyone's gonna leave me, look at him. This man was worried that we were gonna leave him, fam. He's leaving the back. That's my boy, fam. That's my guy. Sport bike where, fam? He needs a sport bike. Look at him go. Look at him fucking go. Woo! even know where he's going, fam. No sat nav, nothing. He's just in the front.
Hey, this is me! I've wanted to do this my whole life! Oh shit, that guy just scraped. Bro, my bike's not starting.
Yes, sir. One day I'll be able to do that, I promise. I promise one day I'm going to do that. Are you good? Are you okay? Are you okay? Your Blaze?
I'm with you. Right, there's a delay in my bike. I need to stop the engine. There's a delay in my throttle, bro. I need to pull over, bro. There's a fucking delay on my bike. I don't know why. Yeah, pull over. I'm gonna... I think we're good now.
Sounds going on with his bike. We're good? Something's wrong with his bike, he's fine now. Yeah. Yeah, it's good.
Like, these men have gone, blood. Alright, but you lot need to get in front of me because I don't know where the fuck I'm going. Are you sure there's no cameras? There is a camera, bro. There is a camera.
No, sorry, it's not. There isn't.
I just saw the fucking lines.
It's the lines, bro. Don't worry, they're faded. They're not there. There's one coming up, I think, on the right. Yeah.
So what are these lines for?
Huh? I think they're old ones. They're not showing on Waze. They're not on Waze.
But yeah, I don't know where we're going, by the way. I'm just having fun. I know, he was on it, but he couldn't hear shit, so we just calmed each other, bro. It's cool, we'll get it another time.
On the quad bike, come the M25 with us.
Is that you?
Yeah.
Yes, I followed you.
Yeah, I slowed down because I realised I wasn't even paying attention to the corner. My mate phoned, I looked down the thing, I was like, oh shit, I've got to turn here.
Yeah, I just followed you. You know where he's going.
I've done this so many times, this is near my house, so you should have gone straight over. We still beat fucking him. Why? Because you guys come off the one that stopped before me.
Nah, that's the one we was meant to.
You went far, you went
yeah.
I went to try and cut in.
Yeah.
And I was like, sorry, it was a short one. I was like, fuck. I was like, it.
We had to go all the way around.
I didn't realise you guys were following. That's why I shut off.
And then when you shut off, it's like, yep, I'm fucked.
There's no cameras on that motorway, is there?
Not where that section is.
Yeah, see, we're good. We're good. Because I was looking at my Waze, it didn't say no cameras.
Yeah, I was doing
the only other camera there is when you come up to Buckingham.
Okay, because there's lines on the floor, but I'm like, oh, okay, cool, yeah. Oh, we're good.
Every single day.
Yeah. So I was doing 90, bro, when I saw them lines.
I was doing 150, I was stopping.
Yeah.
I pulled in, you pulled in, I was thinking, these cunts are going to come flying. Where are they? Totally forgetting the turn is coming up.
Alright, so you guys won't know this, but I did this exactly 1 month ago before I did my knee, 2 days before I did my knee. So we're going to do it again. Do it all over again, okay? Come up here to the front. I talk some shit looking at all these beautiful bikes. And then I say, I've been your boy Ghost, Off Track TV, and I'm out. Love.
That concludes this bike meet today. I hope you enjoyed it. You're getting a handful of content now in the next couple of days from me and that guy. Big Black Candy Baby. That's his nickname. I don't call him that. He calls himself that. Anyway, I might film some more after on the way home. But until then, I've been a Sony Blaze. He's been Ghost. They've been everyone else. Love.